Akiaria hindi ya kuruguria waki wa demu ya Kienzuri mwena wa Mburi kaunti-ini ya Meru, Minister wa Mai Simon Cherugu augite waki wa demu ici ni ugutigirira ikaria mwena uyu ni magia na mai ma kuigana.
Our strategy as the Ministry of Water is we are going to dam because our rivers are becoming so exhausted. Our population is growing, water demand is growing, and we need more water. That rivers will not sustain our demand.
Imwe cia demu iria itanyitwo gwakwo ni Kienzuri, demu ya Kathino iria ni ya muigana wa ciringi bilioni 1.5, Mombasa, Kieni na ingĩ nyingĩ. Cherugu augite demu ya Kathino igukorwo iri kiguni kinene hari aikari na ni mambitie mĩario na anyiti itemi niguo guteithĩrĩria hari waki wa demu ino, kuria hete mukana aria mahetwo wira wa gwaka demu ino na kumera marute wira uria wagiriire kwa ihinda ria mieri 6.
We, as communicated by the CEO, I want you to do a good job. We have source for this money. This resource is required all over this country. This place is lucky. Let them celebrate. At the end of 6 months, at least we should be celebrating. We should not be regretting.
Mwena-ini wa waria mahetwo wira uyu ni mereire Cherugu ati ni mekuruta wira uria kwagiriire na kwa ihinda riria riagiriire na gutigira matina muconorithia.
We are now set with this breaking of the ground. In the next 6 months we should be out of here. We should call you now to come and commission this. This dam will have a storage of approximately 300,000 cubic meters.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, Njĩta Wanjikũ wa Wanjikũ.